Welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest slow cooker beef taco soup, one of my favorite dump and go recipes for a quick weeknight meal. Right now I've got a 6-quart slow cooker with ground beef in it. I've got that cooked and ready to go. I'm going to add in a can of black beans. I've drained off the top there, and then I'm going to add in rotel, which is just diced tomatoes with green chilies. And then I like to use frozen corn, so I'm using a bag of frozen sweet corn. You can use canned corn as well, just dump that all in. And then I'm going to add a gluten-free packet of taco seasoning, or you can use your own homemade taco seasoning, whichever one you prefer. It's about 2 tablespoons. So I'm adding that in. If you wanted pepper or make it spicy, you could go ahead and add that too, like cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes. So now I'm adding in 32 ounces of beef broth. And I'm just going to add in this whole carton. If you don't want as much broth because it's more salty, you could mix that with 2 cups of water and 2 cups of broth instead. So now I'm going to stir up all of that and go ahead and cover it and cook it on low for 8 hours. So I'm getting that set here. We like to serve ours with shredded cheese and Doritos. They just have the perfect pairing with this taco soup. And this is how you make an easy dump and go slow cooker beef taco soup.